If you want to install and set up Gboard on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install Gboard on your tablet. Now after you install Gboard on your tablet, then for the next step, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General Management, and from here just tap on Keyboard. Now under All, just enable the toggle for Gboard and select OK. After you do that, then at the top of the screen, just tap on Default Keyboard. Now instead of Samsung Keyboard, just select Gboard. Now after you've done that, now if we go to the home screen and if we open the keyboard on our tablet, as you can see, we have successfully set up Gboard on our Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.